Do we have a customer service? Wait, we've got something much better. How about you experience our replacement for customer service? The collaboration, the future of support. We call this CollabNow. Haven't we experienced the same old format of customer service? However, let us step into the new age of supporting. Okay. Granted, there is a risk of misinformation. However, it could be everywhere. We believe the quality support will come from those who have the experience of the process, rather than learning the process in classroom training. Tired of those same old standard copy-pasted email and professionally sounding impersonal customer service executive? Not to mention the sweet sound of the hold music and IVR messages. No more. Welcome to the age of online community support, where experts who have done the process themselves to achieve their permanent residency are eager to help you with the process and guide you with the accurate information when required at the right time. Be a question about filling a form, or getting details on how to get your transcripts from your college or institution. Even how to prepare for the IELTS exam. Using CollabNow. Get all your queries answered, as well as information on the next step. No more same old email templates, hold music, or IVR messages. Just shoot your query in CollabNow, get a reply instantly to your question. The CollabNow is a community of self-doer experts who have done it themselves. Moreover, are in the best position to advise you. Using the Immigration Process Navigator tool, along with CollabNow. This combo makes an unbeatable experience for your immigration process. Just take control of the steering, and let us navigate you on the road to success. Let us collab now.